In front of me is VIVO V60 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Don't worry, I tested it before, it will work. When you're ready, hit System Management, then Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Manage on-screen keyboards to get to Gboard. Now tap on Text Correction and scroll down to use this switcher next to autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can turn it off or switch it on. Quick tip, if you decided to use autocorrection, I would recommend to try this option called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace, because it's making using autocorrection even better. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!